So students typically find this exercise, exercise number 13, about the NHL, to be a little bit challenging because unlike the other exercises that are very clearly kind of working within, like using strings or using addition, and they're very well explained already, this is going to use some outside resources in order to create a problem. So this NHL statistics is going to, and the clear idea here is it's a ready-made component. So what that means is that this is not part of Java. They are accessing something outside and then importing the data for you to use. So it's a little bit different than other ones. And that's what's happening here. When you see the import NHL statistics, that's like we talked about with the Java scanner. That's not a natural part of Java. You need to import it. But just like scanner, we can import it. Somebody else made it. We're going to import it and we're going to use it. This NHL statistics comes with some pre-built features that you can use. So like for example here, if you access NHL statistics, and these are like just a couple of the commands, we'll go into more commands on the next slide. If you go to NHL statistics and hit dot sort by points, or hit NHL statistics dot top 10, this command is a command that's going to sort the statistics that are there by points, and then this part is going to print the top 10. So it's like the combination of these two. This is sorting the data, and then this is actually going to print it. So we can see that's the output's going to appear on the next screen. This is what should happen. We've sorted them and then printing out the points. So 49, 48, 47. One thing, this originally was made on January 9th, 2012. So these players are probably, I don't know, mostly retired. I don't know that I know hockey well enough to say, but yours will look different than this. So there are commands so we've imported a set of utilities or components from somewhere else, and we're able to use the commands that they've already built. So these are some of the commands that are accessible. NHL statistics sort by points, sorts the list, and then this one actually prints the top 10. And it says you can put in any integer. So let's look at some other options that are in here. Here are some other things. Like this command, dot sort by points. Well, yeah, sort by points. We did that by goals, by assists, by penalties. So these will sort. So maybe you could divide the commands maybe into two parts. One is sorting, and then the other one is actually printing. So these ones are sorting, goals, points, assists. We saw this top 10 one actually prints based on your sorting. And there's some other ones in here, like for example for this one, like search by player, put in the player, and it's going to print the stats of that player. Okay, so that's more of like an output, not just sorting, but actually printing the result. Similarly here, like this is another print command, it's team statistics. Let's see if we have one more in here. Yeah, so that's going to be it. So the challenging part of this one, I can leave the rest to you. The challenging part of this one is that they are commands that we did not build, that we didn't really discuss, and they're just saying, here's some commands you can use. Use these commands in order to do the following. And the exercise is detailed on part 18. So it's pretty challenging. It's definitely a step above any of the previous exercises, so I thought it was worth creating, hopefully, a short video about this. As always, email me or send me a Flipgrid, whatever, to if you get stuck with something or you need help, if this doesn't help enough. Good luck.